Technology today is moving faster than ever. We have smart devices, connected systems, and powerful applications shaping how we live and work. Wearable devices can now capture human movement in ways that were not possible before, and mobile apps allow these interactions to feel seamless and intuitive. But even with all this progress, communication is still not easy for everyone, and for some people, it remains a daily challenge. New advances in technology should be available to everyone, regardless of their personal or physical ability. However, many existing digital systems still lack natural and intuitive ways of communication. This creates serious challenges for people with disabilities, especially for those who are speech impaired or hard of hearing. With limited accessibility in most electronic devices, keeping up with everyday communication becomes difficult. As a result, communication often depends on sign language to express thoughts, needs, and emotions. But since most common people don't understand sign language, even basic conversations can easily break down. So the question becomes, what if hand gestures didn't stop at movement? What if they could instantly turn into voice or words that anyone could understand? What if communication could feel natural, immediate, and effortless for everyone involved? This idea led to the creation of the special product by Glovatrix developed at Coreco Technologies. A system built with a clear goal to capture sign language gestures and convert them into a universal form of communication, voice, and text. Glovatrix was designed to bridge this gap and go beyond traditional communication methods. Sign language involves both large hand movements and precise finger and palm formations. To capture this accurately, Glovatrix uses smart gloves with sensors placed on the fingertips and palm. These sensors are connected to a wrist-worn device that sends gesture data to a mobile application via Bluetooth. The app securely sends this data to the cloud, where AI models analyze movement patterns. With milliseconds, the gestures are converted into readable text or audible speech, creating an experience that feels almost instant and natural.
Our vision with technology is to use it in a way that truly helps people. We want to build something that is intuitive, reliable, and easy to use in daily life. With Glovatrix, our focus is not just on innovation, it's on the impact, the accessibility, to make communication more inclusive, because communication is a right, not a privilege.
To bring this vision to life, Coreco Technologies partnered with Glovatrix to deliver the complete product. This included developing sensor-based specialized gloves, AI models, Flutter-based mobile development, secure cloud processing, and real-time performance optimization. AI models were used to handle different user behaviors, gesture variations, and accuracy requirements while ensuring privacy and data security. The result is a system that makes communication inclusive and seamless, and it allows people to express themselves with confidence in everyday situations. Beyond accessibility, the same technology can be applied to other areas, from healthcare and assistive tools to gaming and gesture-controlled systems. At its core, the project is about removing barriers and creating meaningful connections. It shows how thoughtful engineering and purposeful design can truly improve how people interact with the world. At Coreco, we believe technology is not the goal, solving real problems is. If you would like to explore this further or collaborate with us, write to us at info@corecotechnologies.com.